Today, we're going to talk about 5 reasons you would want to buy a Poseidon washing machine and 2 reasons you probably won't. The number 1 reason to get a Poseidon is it has a real agitator. It's the only washing machine on the market right now, or only new washer, that has a real agitator. It's not an auger, it's not going to rip or tear your clothes. It's an old traditional proven design. Also, because of the traditional design, you can control the water level. The machine's not going to control that for you. You can go all the way here, minimum level, all the way up to the maximum level, depending on how much water you need, how big your load is, etc. The Poseidon is also extremely quiet at only 54 decibels. It's much quieter than most washing machines. Number 3, for a washer of this size and this capacity, the Poseidon is actually very lightweight. It's only 22 pounds. Number 4, and we get this question a lot from customers, we call this a foldable or folded washing machine. Well, what does that mean? That means that there's a bottom removable pedestal that you can put inside the unit, right inside here. If you don't want to use it, if you want to put it in storage. There also, you can wash it, use this washer with the pedestal on or off. It's just shorter or taller depending upon what's more convenient for you. Number 5, Poseidon has a very durable design. It also has no electronics, as you can see. It's all mechanical control panel, etc. Also, we use very high quality components. I won't get into all the details, but for example, we use a very heavy duty, much more expensive transmission. There are also 2 reasons why you shouldn't get this machine, or 2 possible reasons that's not for you. The first is that there's no spin cycle. And also, there's no automatic fill or automatic rinse. So it's more of an old school traditional semi-automatic machine. So if you're looking for something super automatic, easy, you just drop the clothes in and walk away, then it's not for you. The second reason is this, admittedly, it's not the cheapest washing machine on the market. That was by design. We hear a lot of people these days talk about quality, how people are really tired of buying products that they use and they break in a few months and then they have to throw away. So we very consciously designed this to last many years. And we spent a lot more money on the components, especially the transmission. And so as a result, it can't compete with the bottom of the line products, and that's by design.